In this video, we're going to show you how to install the high beam bulb on your Volvo XC90 located behind the headlamp assembly. Now with the hood open, there's going to be two tabs on the top of the headlamp assembly. There's one closer to the fender right here, and there's one more inboard right here. Now what else you want to do is you want to grab these tabs and pull them straight up. As you lift them up, the tabs themselves go down and lock down below. So we're going to start an inboard one here. It doesn't matter which one you pull out first, but you simply pull it straight up and out. Set that aside and do the same for the inboard one, pulling that up and out. Now these are definitely two different units. One is a lot smaller than the other. The larger unit goes on the outside and the smaller on the inside. Now I want to go ahead and pull out your headlamp assembly. It's going to be a wise choice to go ahead and grab something to protect the finish on your bumper, because we're going to pull the lamp out and rest it on the bumper. So go ahead and pull this out, lift that up, and get that towel or whatever you have there set in place. Now the harness itself comes down, and it comes down to this bulk connector right here, and there's a red lock tab on this. Now the red lock tab is going to lift up. There's two little tabs on the bottom. Sometimes you can pinch the two tabs together and pull this up. If not, there's a little notch right here in the front. You can use a pocket screwdriver and just get in there and gently twist this lock up. Now we're trying to pop up our connector here or release our lock, and it's kind of stuck just from the years of debris in there. You take a little bit of spray solvent, and we're going to try and flush this out a little bit. Here it is. Now as you pull up on that lock tab, it actually releases the connector and pops that out. All right, on the inboard portion, we're going to locate our high beam. Go ahead and pull off the protective cover. And on the inside, we have the assembly in here. We want to get and pull the wiring harness off the back of the bulb. So we're simply going to reach in. You can wiggle the connector off, like so. And there's a little spring in here. It attaches at the top, and we're going to release that, but it pivots on the bottom. So all we need to do is we're going to grab this, and we're going to pull it off to the side, and then pivot that spring lock down, grab the bulb assembly, and pull it straight out. Now when installing the bulb, if you note that there's a tab right here and it has flat edges on the side, it is keyed. It's only going to sit flush one way. I'm going to take this here, that tab should be facing upward. Insert the bulb, and it's going to pop right into place. Go ahead and take that spring tab. I'm going to push that back up. It presses up against it, and then it has a little hook on the top. You simply press the spring tab up and in, and over, and it locks it into place. Go ahead and grab that wiring harness. We simply need to line up the two little plugs here with the two on the back of the bulb. Once they line up, simply push it on until it bottoms out and it's pretty stable. Grab the protective cap, line that up, and just push it on until it's flush and sealed. Now we can go ahead and install our headlamp assembly. Make sure that the red lock tab is pulled all the way up. Line that up and push it on. And once you get it so far, it's not going to pop on. All right, it's going to push on and it's going to stop. And as you push this down, it's going to suck the connector on the rest of the way. Make sure that the red connector is locked. Now we can go ahead and slide our assembly into the body. Make sure that the headlamp assembly, the seam is all the way up against the fender, and it's nice and flush along the lip of the bumper. It's perfect. Now when installing our tabs themselves or our lock rods, I want to make sure that the headlamp is pushed far enough back so that when you install this here, it goes behind the metal plate here. So drop this down. Make sure that the tab itself is facing forward. Push that down. You want to make sure that it stops at that tab there. Now what you may have to do is just use a rubber mallet if you have to. There's a tab down below here that actually locks into place. Go ahead and tap that in until it just meets the stopper there. Let's now go ahead and install the inner tab. Go ahead and install that inboard one. Slide that down and lock it in. Now you want to go ahead and repeat this process for the driver's side. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.